Welcome to the ultimate guide on merging IPTV with Kodi seamlessly. Our goal is to enhance your Kodi with diverse IPTV channels. Begin by launching Kodi and locating the settings icon on the screen. Select Add-ons and click My Add-ons located under it. Head to PVR Clients followed by selecting PVR IPTV Simple Client. Hit the Configure button to prepare your client settings. Carefully choose your M3U playlist URL. It's vital for IPTV streams. For the best experience, consider service from 2tv.store. After input, return to the previous menu, then choose Enable. Kodi will update, showcasing a plethora of new channels to explore. Navigate to TV on your Kodi to access live IPTV channels. Take your time browsing and organizing your favorite channels list. Kodi's flexibility and IPTV service provide endless entertainment hours. If issues arise, double-check settings or contact IPTV support. Explore other Kodi add-ons to further customize your setup. Thank you for following. Enjoy the endless content Kodi now offers.